Araya,
Huh.
nice shirt you got there, man.
Thank you.
Where'd you get that cool shirt from?
My dad bought it for me.
Let me see the back. Looks pretty sick, man.
Thank you.
High five. So we're working on this awesome Honda S200 right here. We just painted the front bumper on it, and we re-cleared the lip. So check that out. And the owner, Richard. What's up, bro?
What's up, guys?
Hey, so what kind of lip and bumper is this?
So this is a full Voltex front bumper with a carbon lip slitter. I ordered this about 6 months ago, so I just got here about a month ago. I've had the car for about 6 months. So I actually ordered the bumper when I got the car. Expensive piece, but worth it.
What's the price range on something like this?
The bumper and the lip with the shipping cost me about $2,800.
Oh,
so you know, big investment, is it worth it? Probably not, but it's a nostalgic build for me. That 2000 was the very first Japanese car I've ever sat in, sports car, when I was 6 years old at a Honda dealership. So this car is a 2008 with only 19,000 miles. Figure I do it right or don't do it at all. Personal preference, but.
And what else? What's your future plans for the car?
So now I have some Volt TEs coming in the next week. I have a Voltex wing coming. I'm getting a carbon hood, getting a carbon hardtop. And then after that, this time going forced induction supercharged, and then take it to the track and see how it does. And then, you know, hopefully I don't break anything, because I can't replace any of these parts.
So let me get this straight. You got $2,800 bumper front end on it, and you going to the track?
Hey, use it for what it's meant for. Get your $2,800 worth, man.
That's how you do it, guys. So yeah, let me get, right now I'm in the middle of wet sanding and buffing it out. We already painted it a while back, like 2 weeks ago, and now we're just gonna do a little touching up to it after it dried out and everything. So yeah, let's get back to it. Yo, what's up, Steve? Man? How you doing, brother?
Chilling.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I know.
Did you see the storm though? It was hailing in like around Alpharetta right now.
Seriously?
Yeah. Seems like she went in for cover because it's crazy over there.
Was she out or what?
No, she's in the house.
Shout out to Dante at Street Proof Customs. They're the only guys I would probably trust with my authentic Japanese parts. I paid too much for these parts, so take it to the best.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, dude. Take it easy, man. Alright, see you guys. Alright.
Then we have this awesome Honda